we have arrived. Let me show y'all what we're in this festive season.
Yes, it's very festive.
You hear how mum being, you know how mum you harassing the people them? My Julsz, England right now is it's beyond cold, like. I don't sound like I'm shouting. Hi guys. It is 0 degrees, literally. I've just finished work and I'm gonna head to JD to collect a package that I bought for my godson. Yeah. Outside is so cold and I forgot to buy the de-ice of my car. Listen to it. That's literally ice, you know. And I'm not gonna lie, it takes a hot minute for this to warm up, so I might be here for a minute. Oops. I forgot to buy the de-icer yesterday. And look. So we have to wait for it to de-ice. Another 5 or 7 minutes or so, we should be good to go.
I'm saying, I'm going to do some things.
I don't know if you guys have the same problem. You know, my mum can't sit down for 1 minute. And it makes me feel so on edge. Oh my god.
I'm different from you, so you're supposed to feel
no, mum, but it's just literally I'll be home and from when we wake up she goes, she has to be doing something. You know, that must be an issue. Yeah, that's your something's not clicking in your brain, man.
Box.
No, seriously. It's gotta be
Where you return when you came in the morning?
because there's 2 people in the car.
But it was alright how it was though.
Whatever. It's gotta be a psychological problem.
Something wrong with my brain.
No, something's not wiring right. You don't know how to relax. That's the issue. It's not good. You need to learn how to relax.
And the
Oh, he's got the scraper. Come scrape my car for me, neighbour.
I'm sorry for you.
But it's clearing up anyways. Look.
Well, I'm surprised when you scrape off the seat. Oh, that man, no man.
No.
And season it, I've seen.
Guys, if I get turf, don't laugh, yeah? What should I say? Excuse me. Oh.
Excuse me.
Hi, excuse me. Hiya. Can I just borrow that for a second? Do you mind? Thank you. Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. Oh, Oh.
I think it's a steam inside.
The steam. Okay. Oh, lovely. Thank you so much. God bless you. What a nice man. Oh, yes, he's right.
Inside.
Oh, yes. That's why you need a man around, you know. Men know the things, them. Oh, look at him. What a nice man. Oh, thank you so much. Have a good Christmas.
You too, thank you.
Yeah.
Let's put maybe the
heating on. Yes, yeah, yes. Wonderful, yes. And it should clear up, yeah. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. I know my window's stuck.
What about someone down here?
You know, I've never spoken to that man, people. Never in.
You don't have to speak to people. That's my favorite.
Never in my life.
So you must be friendly.
It's a nice man, though.
People, how you doing? Let me tell you something. You're going to want to stay tuned to this channel because it's going to get busy around here.
Put on your seatbelt.
It's going to get festive around here. So you hear from me first.
Oh, we have to go anyways, guys, because I can't drive with the light on. So we're going to love you.
Them can't see. Turn here.
We're going to love you and see you soon. They can't see us. We're going to be dark. Look at that. We're dark.
No, put the turn the camera there. Turn the camera. I can see what I'm doing.
I can't.
I guess they want to see what England is like now. That is all decorated for Christmas. Don't you see something turning around?
Hey, stop. What is that? Someone's door not open.
What?
Oh, is it? Oh, it's my seatbelt.
You're wrong.
Sugar. And there was me cussing.
Drive with us. You get some jokes.
I was there cussing mummy.
You'll get some jokes.
Oh, it's me. Oh, backside.
Then put it in your brain.
I can't do it one hand, love. I've got to park up. What? I'm not a pro like you. Sorry.
Give me a minute.
Wait, no. I was thinking, why it's still because I can't.
I turn on the camera same time.
They don't want to see where we're going.
Yes, of course they want to see.
They want to see our face, mummy.
No,
Listen,
Tabia, you don't know the.
I'm telling you.
Sometimes I don't want to see people's face.
Just you. They love seeing me.
But it's dark now, so
when we
to
get
see
to
the
Wood,
road.
when we get to Wood Green, we will show them. Isn't it? That road is so rumbly, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know what, guys? I've decided that I'm just gonna put out the vlogs, whether they're interesting, boring, mediocre, in between, whatever the weather. Do you know what I mean? It's just that they might just become quite repetitive. Is that the word?
It doesn't matter. People like us too.
Repetitive.
They like us. Yeah, welcome to Wood Green.
We're not even in Wood Green yet, love.
What's this one called?
This is
Tell me. It's Wood Green.
Haringey Civic Centre.
and Haringey Civic Centre is in Green.
No, it's not in Wood Green. It's in Haringey.
Okay, all right. So where Wood Green starts from?
From when you cross the traffic light down there.
No.
Yes.
You know where that is?
Where is
That's
that?
Lordship Lane, actually.
No.
Oh my God.
No, Prestige, no.
It's actually Lordship Lane, may I tell you? The whole area is Wood Green, but that's Lordship Lane, where you're telling me. This is the part of Wood Green.
Alright, Einstein, it's not. Guys, if you know when we're saying in Wood Green, you would know. Mum watched my favourite coat.
Somebody in here gonna tell me.
And this coat makes me look like a tomato.
Because we've got a lot of subscribers in Wood Green, and you people know. Because you see us all the time, and you're cool to us. I think some people are a bit shy, but some will come to us. Oh, sometimes Julsz we hear and you want to look around. Oh, watch you. Da, da, da.
When our subscribers started to call to us often in summer, Mum was like, we need to start dressing better to pick up on the road.
Yeah, because trust me,
Because Prestige
trust me,
drags anything
listen,
on. Well, me too.
Sometimes, yeah,
To be
I know
honest.
people still are scared to call to us because they're thinking, is that them or is that them? Because the way, trust me, the way
We
we
dress
look,
so like,
the way we look sometimes, that we always in makeup and wig and no. Listen, I'm going to Wood Green. I just drag on something, I'm in Wood Green. Thank you. You see me, cool to me, it's me same one, it's Julsz same one. That's to show you we are just humble people. Humble. Look at me, guess what? They had itch in my forehead, so I put a piece of tissue and then I put the cap over.
isn't she so bush? Like, that has got to be such a bush movement.
No, it's called being comfortable. Whatever you have to do to feel comfortable.
You know what? You probably should have washed the hat first.
You think so? But look at the other one we had from Will. That washed millions of times and still give me. I don't know what it is with this. Maybe it's new age, coming up to a new age or what. Because you know my birthday is this month. But all of a sudden things start irritate my forehead.
I don't know what that is. Maybe you're allergic to wool and cotton.
But
No, it's
all
not
of a
cotton.
sudden, so
Yeah,
it's a new age.
allergies can happen anyway.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. You
Maybe
can
just-
like some bumps up there and stuff.
You're just allergic.
I think my
love.
nails are so beautiful. They're so pretty.
And then we're gonna, after we collect the package from JD, I'm gonna pop to Morrison's and collect some. I feel for some fruits.
We gonna how many one go over 99 p shop up for the
Well, when you go to Morrison, isn't it?
So
I don't normally park on this side of the road, you know.
you can come up and you're saying.
Yeah.
Come this side.
And we have arrived. Let me show y'all Wood Green this festive season.
Yes, it's very festive. And I haven't got no socks on.
Alright, love.
So when my foot starts sneeze, you know why it's
Tell them
sneezing.
all about it.
When my foot bottom starts sneeze. Listen! Why?
Look at this young lady.
Make nice Prestige.
Wash my nice black jacket. I have one. I call it my uniform. You must know it by now. The young woman didn't even ask me. She just said, yeah. I've noticed whenever a new iPhone comes out, your cameras start looking so crappy. how mum's being, you know how mum is harassing the people them? Do you hear the harassment of... It is cold.
One light grey, so light grey anyway.
How much are you buying?
Just one light, a grey, this or silver.
Silver.
They pocket all the money for themselves and no heater in the place. Wait, I want grey milk for some. One light. Excuse me.
I'm sorry.
No, you don't. Oh! Me thought I look for grey to be on the video.
I don't blog she complain. I blog she complain.
Is
You
it
can't.
grey?
You can't.
I no grey this.
No.
I grey this. This one, no grey. No grey this.
Yes, boobs. You don't have eyes to see?
Yeah, grey, yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go. Is that on? Eh? No, it's not on. Let me see.
This one hitting him now.
Why is it not on? Why? But why? Broken.
Lettuce, cucumbers, onion, sweet corn, tomato, red peppers, gherkins, please, and jalapenos. Can I please have Caesar and barbecue? Thank you. Imagine I got latte, and believe you me, it's already cold. Today is freezing. So I'll talk to you when I get in the car because yeah, it is cold, man. It's cold. My Julsz, England right now is it's beyond cold. Like I don't understand what's going on. Before
it's about minus 110.
Yeah, before we take our lengthened journey, I gotta eat because I am hungry. We're gonna go and see. Oh, I better not get these gloves messed up. You know, I'll probably have to just eat half, and then when I get to my friend's house, I'll just warm it up and eat the rest because it's gonna be cold anyways. But just to have something in my belly. That's the thing with Subway, it's so messy. So as you will have seen, Mum went Walthamstow market to get some sewing things. As you know, Mum's a seamstress, the baker, she's everything. She just don't advertise herself properly. No.
Everything.
Yeah. This is on brown bread, by the way, because health is wealth. Oh no! Oh my god!
I'm sure some dropping on my mouth just now.
It's very. This is very
dumpling,
cold.
one thing needs to something like the gold. Like dumpling have a bit of caramel in it. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong. It's about Jamaican restaurant in the market. You got some soup, big boy of soup, but it's a bit salt.
Yeah, this has to be warmed up, guys. This is freezing. Not freezing, but
Go on.
it's cold.
Today is no day to run.
And if you live with me, even if the food just finished cooking, I'm putting it in the microwave. I do not like cold food. It has to be hot. So I'm gonna have one more bite and then I'm gonna call it a day. There's something spicy in here.
That's
Shit.
not eating.
Ooh.
Not one, but
I got steak, turkey rashers, and chicken.
look, you know you want some soup right now. Look, the fat from the beef.
But you said it's salt, so no thank you.
A bit salt, but man.
You see dirty Subway? If you want extra meat, 50p for each meal.
So there's always like that though. Flipping teeth. And try for everything.
This cost This cost me $13.99.
What?
For half a sub, 3 cookies.
What?
But I put my
water.
cookies in there, you know.
Yeah, you put in
3 cookies, 1 bottle of water, and 1 coffee. £14 basically.
People, I think you should go into a food business. You can't go wrong.
Alright.
What is the pumpkin here? I'm saving it for last.
Oh no! Sorry, babes, you have to eat that now. No, we'll cut
What
it.
you not observe?
Yeah,
No, I don't want to cover my food, you know.
I finished. Look, finished, empty.
That was quick.
It was cold, that's why. Right, I can't drive and vlog because I'm gonna be using the sat nav. So, guys, we'll love you later.